Hi, it's Ann from craftdrawer.com, and today I wanted to show you what I'm working on. I'm working on a granny square blanket. It goes all the way around. I'll show you some photos at the beginning and end of the video. And I started out this pattern with a magic circle, and I am doing a half double crochet all the way around. The yarn I'm using is the Brene Pop Paisley Pop yarn. And what I wanted to show you was basically my half double crochet in the corner to make the Afghan work nicely when you turn it. So let me just show you what I'm doing, and let's get started with the corner. So as you can see, this is my corner right here, and I am just going to make it go nicely all the way around. So I'm going to finish doing the half double crochet in the last stitch. Then I'm going to do 3, hang on a second, I'm going to get the picture right so you can see it. 3 half double crochets in the corner. 1, 2, 3. Gotta get my yarn up here. And then I'm going to just chain 1 to turn, and then I'm going to do 3 more in the same corner. 1, 2, 3. Then, hold on a second, my yarn is stuck. Then pretty much what I'm doing is just, I'm not chaining any more stitches as I go along. I just put in each hole 3 more half double crochets. As you can see there. And I just go all the way around to complete my blanket. I'll show you some pictures and link you to where some of the finished item is, just to kind of get you started, and we'll hopefully be able to go through the entire project at a later date. But again, this is a half double crochet granny square blanket. I started out with the magic circle, and I'm using the Brene Pop yarn called Paisley Pop. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching, and please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.